Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the NIC Asia mobile banking app and logging in. This ensures the app has your session and permissions. Once logged in, make sure you're on the main dashboard because the QR feature is linked there. If you see a prompt to update or grant camera permissions, accept it now. Without them, you can't scan or display QR codes. You're preparing the app environment so the next steps work reliably and quickly. Now navigate payments or transfers from the dashboard and look for the QR option. NIC Asia places QR functions under payment tools to keep them secure. Once you tap QR, choose whether you'll scan a merchant code or show your own QR for receiving money. Each selection changes the interface. If you're scanning, the camera view opens. If showing, your payment QR appears with amount or account details. This step links transaction intent with QR action. Finally, confirm the amount and recipient details and authorize the payment using your PIN or biometric. That completes the QR transaction securely. If the QR won't scan, make sure camera permission is enabled, retry in good light, and update the app. These fixes resolve most problems. If the QR won't display, check network and app updates, then relaunch. If issues persist, contact NIC Asia support so they can verify account settings and resolve backend problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.